Deep in the heart of the Sahara Desert lives a creature with big ears and an even bigger personality, the Fennec Fox. This tiny yet resilient animal has adapted to one of the harshest environments on Earth. The Sahara Desert is a hot and dry place covered in sand dunes as far as the eye can see. Temperatures can soar to over 50 degrees Celsius during the day and plummet to near freezing at night. It's hard to imagine any animal living there, yet the Fennec Fox thrives in this extreme climate, showcasing its incredible adaptability. This is where our little friend, the smallest of all the world's foxes, calls home. Despite its small size, the Fennec Fox is a master of survival. Fennec foxes are about the size of a small cat with a bushy tail, almost as long as their body. This tail helps them maintain balance and provides warmth during cold desert nights. What makes them so easy to recognize are their large, bat-like ears. These ears are not just for hearing, they play a crucial role in the fox's survival. But their big ears aren't just for show. They are a vital adaptation for survival in their harsh desert home. The large surface area of their ears helps dissipate heat, keeping the fox cool in the scorching desert sun. Additionally, these ears are incredibly sensitive, allowing the Fennec Fox to hear the faintest sounds of prey moving underground. Their diet mainly consists of insects, small rodents, birds, and even some plants. The Fennec Fox's keen sense of hearing helps it locate prey that is hidden beneath the sand. Water is scarce in the desert, but the Fennec Fox has adapted to survive with minimal water. They get most of their hydration from the food they eat, and their kidneys are highly efficient at conserving water. Fennec foxes are also social animals, often living in small family groups. They communicate with a variety of sounds, from barks to purrs and even growls. The young Fennec foxes, or kits, are playful and curious, learning essential survival skills from their parents. These skills will help them navigate the challenging desert environment as they grow. As the sun sets over the Sahara, the Fennec Fox becomes more active, taking advantage of the cooler temperatures to hunt and explore. This remarkable creature is a true testament to the wonders of adaptation and survival in one of the most unforgiving places on Earth. The Fennec Fox's most noticeable feature, its oversized ears, are its secret weapon against the desert heat. These ears are not just for hearing, they play a crucial role in the fox's survival in one of the harshest environments on Earth. The ears are not just big, they are also thin with many blood vessels close to the surface. This unique structure allows for efficient heat dissipation, acting like natural radiators. When the temperature rises, blood flows through these vessels, releasing excess heat and cooling the fox down. This helps to radiate heat away from their bodies, keeping them cool under the scorching desert sun. In the extreme temperatures of the desert, this adaptation is vital for their survival, allowing them to remain active even during the hottest parts of the day. Their feet are also specially adapted for the desert environment. The Fennec Fox's feet are covered in thick fur, which serves multiple purposes. Covered in thick fur, their paws act like built-in snowshoes, allowing them to walk on hot sand without sinking or burning their feet. This fur also provides insulation against the cold desert nights, ensuring that the fox remains comfortable regardless of the temperature. Their light, sandy-colored fur helps them blend in with the desert environment, providing camouflage from predators and prey alike. This coloration is not just for aesthetics, it is a critical survival mechanism. By blending into their surroundings, Fennec foxes can avoid detection by larger predators and sneak up on their prey with ease. Additionally, Fennec foxes are expert diggers. They create extensive burrow systems to escape the heat of the day and to protect themselves from predators. These burrows can be up to 10 meters long and provide a cool, safe haven for the foxes and their families. Inside these burrows, Fennec foxes raise their young, ensuring that the next generation is well protected from the harsh desert environment. The burrows also serve as storage for food, allowing the foxes to survive during times when prey is scarce. Fennec foxes are primarily nocturnal hunters, taking advantage of the cooler nighttime temperatures to search for food. Their large ears not only help with heat dissipation, but also provide excellent hearing, allowing them to detect the faintest sounds of prey moving in the sand. With their keen senses and remarkable adaptations, Fennec foxes are perfectly equipped to thrive in the desert, making them one of nature's most fascinating survivors. The desert sun is very harsh during the day. To avoid the heat, Fennec foxes are nocturnal. This means they sleep during the day in cool underground burrows and come out to hunt at night when the desert temperatures drop. Fennec foxes are omnivores, which means they eat both meat and plants. They love to hunt insects like grasshoppers and locusts, and they are quite good at catching them with their quick reflexes. They also eat rodents, lizards, birds' eggs, and even juicy fruits and roots they find in their desert home. Section 4. Family life in the desert. Fennec foxes are very social animals. They live in family groups called leks, which usually consist of a mated pair and their pups. They are very vocal animals and communicate with each other through a series of barks, yips, and even purrs, just like a house cat. Fennec fox parents are very caring and protective of their young. The mother fox gives birth to a litter of 2 to 5 pups in the springtime. Both parents help to raise their pups, teaching them how to hunt and survive in the desert. Section 5. Fennec foxes and humans. With their adorable looks and playful personalities, it's no wonder that Fennec foxes have captured the hearts of many people. Some people keep them as pets, but taking care of a Fennec fox is a big responsibility. They need special food, a large enclosure to roam and play in, and lots of attention and enrichment to keep them happy and healthy. Unfortunately, in some parts of the world, people catch Fennec foxes from the wild to sell as pets. This is very harmful because Fennec foxes belong in their natural habitat. Section 6. Protecting the smallest canid. The Fennec fox, with its distinctive large ears and small stature, is the smallest canid in the world. These fascinating creatures are native to the Sahara Desert and other parts of North Africa. While Fennec foxes are not currently endangered, they do face significant threats in the wild. Their survival is increasingly challenged by various factors that disrupt their natural habitat and way of life. Their biggest threats are habitat loss due to human activities like farming, mining, and urban expansion. These activities encroach on their natural environment, making it difficult for them to find food and shelter. Additionally, illegal hunting for the pet trade poses a serious risk. Many Fennec foxes are captured and sold, often leading to a decline in their wild populations. To help protect these amazing animals, we can support organizations that work tirelessly to conserve their habitat. These organizations engage in various activities such as reforestation, creating protected areas, and restoring natural landscapes. They also focus on educating the public about the importance of wildlife conservation and the role each species plays in the ecosystem. By raising awareness, they aim to reduce human impact on these delicate environments. We can also make sure that if we choose to welcome a Fennec fox into our homes, we do so responsibly. This means only getting them from reputable breeders who prioritize the health and well-being of their animals. Responsible ownership includes providing proper care, nutrition, and a suitable environment that mimics their natural habitat as closely as possible. By doing so, we can ensure that these charming creatures continue to thrive both in the wild and in our homes.